Hello! In this video, I'll be showing you NextLabs SkyDRM Rights Management extension for Bentley MicroStation. The MicroStation RMX seamlessly integrates with NextLabs SkyDRM Rights Management solution, offering advanced rights protection capabilities. The MicroStation RMX includes the following key features. In this use case, I will be accessing protected DGN files stored in project-wise data source and saved in local drive. This demonstration will include user Jimmy Carter, who has view permission on files classified as super secret, and full permission on files classified as secret. In contrast, John Tyler will not have any permissions on files classified as super secret, and only view permission on files classified as secret. Before we move into the demo, let's review the demo setup. Document classification, IP classification has two labels, super secret and secret. There are two users in the demo. Jimmy Carter is located in US and John Tyler is located in SG. There are also three policies that are configured for the demo. Now, let's move to the use case. Here is a client machine which has Jimmy Carter logged into SkyDRM and project-wise data source. I have some protected DGN files stored in the project-wise work area. Let's begin by navigating to the secret subfolder. In this folder, all DGN files have been classified as secret. So, Jimmy Carter will have full permission on those files, since it matches the predefined policy 1, in which users in US are granted access to secret data with all permissions. Now, let's double-click to check out and open one of the DGN files. As you can see, MicroStation launched and the file opened. You can see the SkyDRM notification dialog pop up and show the user's permission details. You can also check the permission with SkyDRM ribbon button, Check Protection. As you can see, the permissions are as expected. Let's go back to ProjectWise and navigate to the subfolder, Super Secret. In this folder, all DGN files have been classified as super secret. So, Jimmy Carter has view permission only on those files, since it matches the predefined policy 2, in which users in US are granted access to super secret data with view permission only. Let's verify this. I'll double-click one of the DGN files and MicroStation will launch and the file opens. You can see the SkyDRM notification dialog pop up, showing the user only has view permission. I will try to export the above two classification files to my local drive. In the secret folder, I will export the dem.dgn file. And in the super secret folder, I will export the piping.dgn file. Now, in the folder in my local drive, you can see the files are protected in the DRM protected format as shown by the .nxl file extension. Users can still open the files directly by double-clicking on them. I will now open each file. You can see with RMX installed, MicroStation will auto-launch showing the file's content. When we check protection for the dem.dgn file, we see that we have the secret file, where Jimmy Carter has full permissions. Now, we'll look at the super secret file. When we check protection for the piping.dgn file, we see that Jimmy Carter has view-only permissions. Now, I will switch SkyDRM user to John Tyler. Let's navigate to the project-wise work area to access the files we looked at before. DRM.dgn file was exported from the secret subfolder. So as Policy 3 defined, John Tyler has view-only permissions on these files. I'll double-click to open the file. As you can see, MicroStation launches and file opens. Here, you will see the SkyDRM notification dialog showing that John Tyler only has view permissions on this file. Next, I'll open the piping.dgn file, which was exported from the super secret subfolder. Since the policy doesn't grant him permission, John Tyler won't be able to access the file. Let's verify this by double-clicking on the file. You will notice that John Tyler isn't able to see the file content, as I receive an access denied message from the SkyDRM viewer. With this, we conclude our video on controlling access to DRM-protected DGN files. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the NextLabs channel, and stay tuned for more data-centric security videos.